Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. Through self-development, you will pave your way. Building skills and growing day by day. Positive changes will lead to success. And meaningful goals, you will address. Goals once thought impossible to reach. Now within your grasp, you will teach. Personal growth and fulfillment abound. Stress reduced, healthy habits found. Relationships strengthened, bonds ever strong. Well-being flourishing like a lifelong song. Success comes from improving every day. A journey of progress, your path you will pave. Self-discovery, the first key to unlock. To balance your life through every shock. Assess your strengths and work on your gaps. Enhance your skills and close the lapse. Physical health, a priority you must keep. Exercise, nutrition, and self-care, you reap. Mental health, positive thoughts, and more. Manage stress and emotions, open the door. Relationships are the key to our lives. Empathy, communication, skills to strive. Conflict resolution, essential to build. The trust and respect, we must instill. Career growth, the next step in line. Opportunities seek, advancement, define. Education, knowledge, and wisdom we gain. Endless learning, endless knowledge to obtain. Spirituality, a search for inner peace. Values, beliefs, purpose to release. Time management, priorities set. Schedule organized, productivity met. Creative expression, self-expression found. Hobbies, arts, imagination unbound. Financial planning, stability to achieve. Budgets, savings, investments we believe. The fire within, a source of light. Motivation, drive, the flames ignite. Make time for self-development, don't let it fade. Keep the fire burning, progress made. Through self-development, you will pave your way. Building skills and growing day by day. Positive changes, the key to your success. Goals in sight. You will address. Address? Address? No longer out of reach, once impossible dreams. Now within your grasp, or so it seems. Personal growth and fulfillment abound. Stress reduced, healthy habits found. Bonds of relationships grow ever strong. Well-being flourishing like a lifelong song. Success comes from improving yourself each day. A journey of progress, let it pave the way. With self-discovery, you will find your path. Physical health, a key to your inner math. Mental health, positive thoughts to guide. Relationships nurtured, trust will abide. Career growth, education to acquire. Spirituality, beliefs that inspire. Time management, priorities set. Creative expression, a chance to forget. Financial planning, budget, save and invest. The fire within, never let it rest. Motivation at hand, a challenge to be. Self-development, let it set you free. Embrace the journey, let it fuel your flame. Accomplish ambitions, let it be your aim. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.